Okay, this is the balut challenge, alright?
Wait, what do I
Just eat grab it. You even bite the whole thing. Whole. Yeah, whole. The whole thing.
The whole thing?
No, except the middle. Just the middle, yeah. Except the
shell. Whole. Yan. Whole. Don't bite it into half. Whole. Except the shell.
Okay. Okay. Eat it.
Yummy.
It's good. Right.
Is it good?
You want some?
I know what it is.
It's good. Try it. You want some?
Wait, what is that?
The beak. See that one? The part. It's good. That's a half. I still have half.
No, dapat pinakain mo ng buo. Hindi pwedeng kalahati, Daddy.
Eh,
You have to eat it
Hindi niya,
all.
ayaw niya nga ng buo eh. Hindi niya kinaya yung buo eh. Oh. Come on. Swallow.
Swallow. That is protein.
Here,
Protein.
That is
Oh,
protein.
here.
Swallow.
Here, that's
Swallow.
That is protein.
Swallow. Swallow it.
Just swallow it.
Swallow.
Kasi you don't chew it. You just swallow it.
No. Chew it.
No. Listen
Okay.
to Daddy. You don't chew it, man. You just swallow it.
Right.
That
Good.
is protein.
Okay. Put some salt. Taste. It's good. Alright. Then drink the water now. It's good. Half. Alright. Show me your tongue.
It is.
Okay.